Welcome to the VP750 and VP700 tutorial series. This video is about print and present. Set up your print job from your label design software. We are using PDF format for our label. Click on the print option and go to the Properties button. Then, click the Media panel. Under the Media panel, select Print and Present under the Page Cutting section. Click OK. Then, under Pages to print, click Current or the page number you want to print. Input the copies you want to print. Click on Print. Wait for the printer to print out the labels. The printer will print your label and wait for a few seconds before finally dispensing your print completely. This will happen with every single label that is being printed. For more information, visit www.vipcolor.com and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos.